A typical cottonseed extraction line involves several stages: cleaning, cracking, dehulling, flaking, solvent extraction, and desolventizing. Each step is designed to maximize oil yield while preserving its nutritional value. Modern equipment integrates advanced technologies such as automatic control systems, energy-saving designs. Reputable manufacturers prioritize customization, allowing clients to tailor the production line according to their specific needs, whether it's adjusting the capacity, incorporating additional features like degumming or refining, or choosing between batch and continuous processes. Flexibility is key. Moreover, they provide comprehensive after-sales services, including installation, training, and maintenance support. The global demand for cottonseed oil continues to grow due to its versatility and health benefits. As a result, competition among cottonseed extraction line manufacturers has intensified. To stay ahead, companies invest heavily in research and development, focusing on innovations that enhance performance, lower costs, and meet stringent regulatory standards. By doing so, they contribute significantly to the advancement of the edible oil industry worldwide. For businesses looking to enter or expand within this sector,